All right, it says the product of two integers is 72. So this is just like the other problem, right? I'm going to have my first number, right, n1. Then I'm going to have my second number, n2. They're going to give us some clues, and then we're going to multiply them, and it has to equal, right? Product means that we multiply. And is means that it equals 72. All right, so it says one number is 2 less than 5 times the other. So we'll call this one the other. I don't know anything about this number. I'm just going to call it the other. And the other number, one number is 2 less. That means subtracting 2 from 5 times the other, 5 times x. So I'm going to say x times 5x minus 2 is equal to 72. Just like the other problem, we're going to distribute this x through the parentheses. X times 5x is 5x squared. X times negative 2 is a negative 2x. And all of that adds up to or equals 72. And basically that is it. And I'll leave that up there, give you a chance to write all that down.